Hey y'all, it's dripping. It's not tripping. Period. All right, honey, it's over with. I can just sit down now.
You gotta hold on to your wig. Hey, yeah.
When your wig got you singing in Vogue, it's legit. They're doing the work for you. Look at this lace. Let me show you.
Show them, dresser.
Oh. Let me come up on ya like we finna fight. Sorry about my parts, y'all. My parts are never straight. Don't talk about them, just pray for them, okay? Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with a slay today.
Hey.
Coming to you with a slay today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hey y'all, I decided to come to y'all already done up with my bun up. What's going on, y'all? I'm getting ready to do some things. I got some things to do today. And I was like, I know what I want to put on top of my head because I think it's going to be fire. Say it with me now. I have a great feeling about this wig, you guys, and it's from Xrsbeauty. So you already know how they coming. You already know what they do with that lace. They do it and they put their back into it. But let's look at it. Let's just take a look, okay? So here's the package sauce. Bam. It's dripping. It's not tripping. They always come with it. Xrsbeauty, they always come with it.
They always come with it.
They put gifts in the box. They're usually the same, so I don't know. Chad, I got so many of these wide tooth combs and I love them, so I'm not complaining. But honey, they're gonna come with a comb, okay? Bam. Flexi rods. The edge whisper. Boop, boop, boop. When you need to whisper upon those edges. And this is the scoop side to it. Remember, I put y'all on game about the parts of the brush. Y'all didn't know that. You got the comb side, you got the brush side, and then you have this scoop side. This is for you to scoop your product out of the jar. Y'all didn't know that. Just stick around. I'm gonna tell you how it go down. Period. Oh, if you want to go glueless, this is the elastic, and it is attachable, detachable, in case you don't want to use it. But if you're going glueless, I suggest you use it. So this is a 20-inch, 200% density. Woo! Deep wave wig. This is cute. I ain't even take the net off. Look at that lace. I have to show y'all this every time. I get excited right about this point. Every time I wear a Xrsbeauty wig, this is where I get excited because look at that. Look at that. All right, honey, it's over with. I can just sit down now. I'm fluffing this. I'm fluffing this. And it's 200% density. And it's 200% density. I'm fluffing this. You have two combs right here. You have a comb in the bike. You got a comb right here in the back of the frontal area. I never use this comb. If you guys are wondering, you got the lace in the back. Cut that off. You got your adjustable strap as to be expected. And you also have these two little connector pieces. That's where you would connect the elastic. Let me just put it on my head real quick.
Let me put it on my head.
So I'm all set. Now I want y'all to see something. Y'all look at this. You know what? Let me come up on y'all like we about to fight. Look at this. Clip that bite. Look at that. Look, y'all. Look. Everything's done. Everything's done. So this is what you're paying for, y'all. This is what you're paying for with these prices, okay? Look. Look.
Hold on to your wig. You got to hold on. Hey. You gotta hold on to your wig. Hey, yeah. Oh, baby, hold on.
You know when your wig got you singing in Vogue, it's legit. Period. It's over with, y'all. You don't have to pluck. You don't have to bleach. Now let me say this because some vendors say pre-pluck. And now they ain't lying. They pre-pluck a little bit to get you started, you see. And then when you get it and then you put it on your head, you over there looking like, oh man, because it still look like it's not plucked at all. Plucking a little bit is almost the same as not plucking at all. If you're not coming at it like this, you may as well just not even do that little baby pre-pluck. You might as well not. I'm talking to the vendors. They might as well not, y'all. That's why good plucking takes so long, y'all. It's a skill to it. And they said, bam, We got you on it. If you don't have the skill, we will. They understand the hairline game. They understand it clearly. They understood the assignment. It's nothing. You don't have to bleach any knots. You don't have to do any of that. The lace is lace-tabulous fabulous. It really is. It's in the front pew answering all the questions at Sunday school. That's how it's coming. Because some of y'all be in the front, but y'all answer no questions. And some of y'all been studying, but y'all just ain't answering questions because you got an attitude that you had to go to Sunday school anyways. Your mama made you go. So that's why. You know the answers. Because your mama be asking you stuff like, why did Jesus weep? See, because most people just have to know that Jesus wept. But then some of y'all got mamas that be randomly asking you essays about why this and why that. So you have to know stuff that regular kids don't even have to know, and you have to partake in all the church programs and activities. When you real shy and introverted, and you really you didn't want to go over there, but your mama make you go over there because she had to plant the mustard seed. Because just in case, when you're real quiet and reserved and shy and you don't go nowhere, and then you go off to school and stuff like that, your mama be scared because she like, Lord, don't let her go out there and get buck wild because she been so quiet all her life. So they plant that mustard seed. Y'all didn't realize that's why they plant that seed in there. So if you go out there and get buck wild, you always come back because you got that seed right there. But you didn't know as a child she was planting the seed. But as a child, you be like, why we always gotta come to Sunday school? And then we be here early, we be there waiting on everybody, and then gotta go through all Sunday school, and then go through all church, and then go through all second service, and then after that I roll in the car with you because I'm a child. But you still talking to everybody, and the church been over. And now I got to go back here and sweep because y'all don't want me in grown folk conversation. So now I got to go back here to the fellowship hall and sweep up while y'all finish talking. And I just really wanted to go home. Okay. They're doing the work for you. Look at this lace. Let me show you.
Show them, dresser.
I'm going to just snip. Piece of lace right here. It's right there. It's right there. Now let me turn it to the black hand side. Look. It don't matter if it's black or tan. It's black, it's tan, and a shoe, yeah. Put a little bit right there on my hand. I always have to show you how they coming with it. You gotta let it dry before you put the lace on there, y'all. You gotta let it get tacky. I didn't do that. It's still on there though, y'all. I don't want y'all to think I'm over here playing games. I'm not. I'm just holding it down while it dries. It's on there. I'm gonna just give it a little. Y'all see it right there? We're gonna do it just like if it was on our head right now, okay? We melting lace, but we doing it on our hand for demonstration purposes, okay? Oh, let me come up on ya like we finna fight. What else do you want, y'all? Tell me what you want from me. Honey, this lace game has come a long way. XRSbeauty is one of the vendors that's ahead of the game. Sorry about my parts, y'all. My parts are never straight. Don't talk about them, just pray for them, okay? Look, not even on my wigs, honey. Let me lay this wig. It's over with. Y'all, let's get to it. Let's get to it, put our back into it. Let's lay this wig.